Clean and convenient for travel and close to shopping and tourist attractions. Friendly service, looks like a safe zone. The air conditioning is very refreshing. When we checked in, no one was around. There was a number on the door and instruction on how to operate the electronic lock. The owner was responsive. She gave us the PIN code, and gave instructions on where to find our room key. We like room 1 because it is very spacious. The place is quiet and very private. It is also near a lot of eateries and amazing room and nice place to stay. The host is also friendly. Convenient and comfortable accommodation at a budget-friendly price, very worthwhile. Nice place to stay in Bangkok. Good staff. Pretty good place. It's amazing how accommodating they are with our needs. They even agreed to store our luggages for free, red heart emoji. In sum, our stay was just chill and laid back. The hostel is tucked in a quiet alley, and when you step out onto the main road, there are many establishments like 7-Eleven. Local owner thought of everything, very caring approach to people's stay. Would recommend anytime. Was lucky and got the king suite for same price as all room, which has a nice working desk which I made into a standing sitting desk. Came for 1 night, extended to 3. Dark, the sensor should be adjusted to brighten faster. Zunjitsu ni yo yakushite, yasukuto moritano de moshio heiga itei ruba iwako no, hosuteruwa, yasukuto marudo omoimasu tadashi, manshitsu no ma e moaruno de chuishite kudasai. Hoteru no basho wa, ajiantiku no chikaku desu yataya, resuto ranado ganarabu toriga, hosuteru kara aruite sanchibyo hodoni aruno de shokujini wa, komarimasen. Heiani wa, boteru no mizugan yiho no itekurete imasu heiani wa rezoko wa, arimasen, calm, quiet, reasonably priced. Even without an elevator, it's not difficult. A serviceable budget aircon room with no bells and whistles. Enough charging ports, decent internet connection and okay Wi-Fi. Fridge and communal kitchen downstairs. Also access to a washing machine. Effective aircon, dark curtains and a quiet night. I have stayed several times already, and it is still as good as before. I am like this hotel so beautiful.